Hi everyone, this is V.C Pro 3 channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete saved passwords in Google Chrome on your laptop or PC. Sometimes we save a password we no longer use, or maybe we just want to clean up old logins from sites we no longer visit. Whatever the reason, deleting a saved password is quick and easy, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open Google Chrome. Then, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser. That's the Chrome menu. Now, you will see Password and Autofill. Click on it, and click Google Password Manager. This will take you to the Password Manager, where Chrome stores all your saved login info. Scroll through the list, or use the search bar to quickly find the website whose password you want to delete. Once you've found the entry, click on the websites or apps, then click Delete. Chrome will instantly delete that saved password from your browser, and that's it. Now the next time you visit that website, Chrome won't automatically fill in your login details, and it won't offer auto sign-in unless you save the password again manually. This is a great way to protect your privacy or remove outdated or incorrect passwords. So now you know how to delete saved passwords in Chrome in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you have any questions or video suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.